Good day, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Claire A. Bicada from ABM 11 YA-1P. Now, my topic is about proportion, including its their three types. First is the direct, second is inverse, then third is partitive. Let's get started. Let's define what is proportion. Proportion is the comparison between two or more ratios or rates. Proportion says that two ratios or fraction are equal. We have three types of proportion. First is the direct proportion. What is direct proportion? Direct proportion is the relation between two quantities where the ratio of the two is equal to a constant value. Also, when one quantity increases or decreases as the other quantity also increases or decreases at the same ratio or rate. The second type of proportion is inverse proportion. Let's define what is inverse proportion. Inverse proportion is the relation between two quantities where one quantity increases or decreases as the same quantity decreases or increases as the same ratio or rate. For our third type of proportion, we have partitive proportion. Let's define what is partitive proportion. A partitive proportion or proportion by parts describes a whole amount being divided or distributed into two or more unequal parts. And now, we were discussing the examples of direct proportion. And later, magkakaroon tayo ng activity sa topic na ito. Good luck! So for our first example sa direct proportion, a tractor uses gas at the rate of 1 liter for every 300 square meter of land to plow. How many liters will it take to plow 900 square meter of land? So ngayon, gagawin muna natin siyang ratio form. 300 to 1 liter equals 900 is to x. Since liters yung hinahanap natin. Then, i-divide natin tong tatlo. So, bali magiging ganito siya. 300x 900. Then, ngayon, i-divide natin siya. 300x over 300 divided by 300. Then, dito naman, 900 divided by 300. So, ika-calculate na natin siya. 900. So, ang kinalabasan is 3. So, ang magiging value ni x dito is 3. Ito na yung final answer. Now, for our second example, in baking, if 4 kilos of flour can make 8 cakes, how many cakes will 20 kilograms of flour can make? So, gagawin ulit natin siyang pa-ratio form. Ngayon, gagawin lang din natin yung ginawa natin kanina. So, dito, i-multiply natin tong sec20 kay 8. So, bali 160. Then, ito din, si 4 kay x. So, ngayon, i-divide na natin sila. 4x, divided by 4, 160, divided by 4, so, bali 40. So, ang x natin is si 40. Bale, 40 cakes ang magagawa sa 20 kilograms ng flour. 40 cakes. Now for our third example, in business, 15 sacks of RTW clothes is worth 30,000 pesos. How many sacks of clothes would you get when you only have 10,000 pesos? So, gagawin ulit natin siyang paratio. 15 sacks is to 30,000 equals x is to 10,000. Ayan. Then, dito naman, same ulit ng process. 15 sacks, 30,000 equals x. Then, magiging 10,000. So, dito, ikaw-cross multiply natin muna tong dalawa. Bali, magiging 10,000 times 15, di magiging 150,000 siya. Equals 30,000 x. So, bali magiging ganyan siya. For our next process naman, now for our next process, i-divide na natin ito by x. Bale, 30,000. Then dito, 30,000 din. Cross out lang natin siya. Then, i-divide na natin tong dalawa. Divide 150,000 divide 30,000. Magiging 5. So, ang x natin is si 5. So, it means, kapag meron kang 10,000 pesos, magkakaroon ka na 5 sacks ng clothes. Now, for our activity, connected din siya sa direct proportion and tatlong activity lang siya. Good luck! Number 1. 3 kilometers is to 30 minutes equals x is to 60 minutes. Second, x is to 10 persons equals 5 pizza is to 50 persons. And last, 10 kilometers is to 2 liters equals x is to 4 liters.
An eternity later.
Now, let's answer the first activity or example. So, ngayon, i-divide natin tong dalawang to, then ito din. 3 km 30 minutes equals x divided by 60. So, ang hinahanap natin dito is ilang kilometers. Bali, itong si x. So, una natin gagawin is i-cross multiply natin tong dalawa. So, 30x equals 60 times 3. So, 180. 180. Then, ngayon, kakopy lang natin tong si 30. Both side. Then, cross out natin to. Then, 180 divided by 30. 180 divide 30. So, ang x natin is si 6. Bali, x is equal to 6 kilometers. So, yan ang sagot natin sa number 1. Let's answer the second one. X is to 10 persons is equal to 5 pizza is to 50 persons. So, dito, ang hinahanap kung ilang pizza yung magkakasya sa 10 person. So, ganito. X divided by 10 person equals 5 pizza divided by 50 persons. So, ganyan siya. And then, cross multiply ulit. 50x is equal to 50. 50 din siya. So, bali dito, i-copy lang din natin tong 50. Dito rin 50. Since 50 din naging kalabasan dito sa cross multiply. Then, cross out. Then, 50 divided by 50 is 1. So, x is equal to 1 pizza. That's the answer. For the last one, 10 kilometers is to 2 liters equals x is to 4 liters. So, ganito din siya. 10 kilometers divided by 2 liters equals x divided by 4 liters. So, dito, cross multiply lang din. Bale, magiging 2x equals 40. Then, lagyan natin ng 2. Cross out. Then, 40 divided by 2. Kukompute natin siya. So, ang naging kalabasan ng x ay 20 kilometers. Ayan. So, ang x dito is 20 kilometers is to 4 liters. That's all. I hope marami kayong natutunan and naintindihan sa video na ito. Remember, Galileo Galilei said, nature is written in mathematical language. That's all. Bye-bye!